Welcome to Johnson Lake. Johnson Lake is a beautiful and popular lake in Banff National Park. Just a short drive from the town of Banff, a visit to Johnson Lake is an excellent thing to do with kids in Banff. With a large day use area, Johnson Lake is a scenic spot for a picnic in Banff or to get out on the water with a stand-up paddleboard, dinghy or kayak. A drive from Calgary to Johnson Lake will take about 90 minutes while the drive from Banff to Johnson Lake take about 15 minutes. The Johnson Lake parking lot is a decent size and offers free parking. Due to the popularity of Johnson Lake, the parking lot can fill up fast on weekends and holidays. If you want to increase your odds of getting a parking spot at Johnson Lake, arrive early in the day and avoid peak hours if possible. Also, it is easy to take public transportation to Johnson Lake. The Rome Route R6 bus travels from the town of Banff to the Johnson Lake parking lot. Johnson Lake is a 3.1 kilometer moderately trafficked loop trail located near Banff, Alberta, Canada, that features a river and is good for all skill levels. The trail offers a number of activity options and is best used from June until August. Dogs are also able to use this trail but must be kept on leash. The Johnson Lake hike is an especially popular kid-friendly hike in Banff. Kids love playing on the fun little bridges, throwing rocks in the lake, and staying afterwards to play at the Johnson Lake beach. There is something special about having a picnic near a lake in Banff National Park. Johnson Lake is a popular picnic spot in Banff with approximately 16 picnic tables available for day use. Most of the picnic tables at Johnson Lake are near the water while some are tucked away in a forest setting to provide some nice shade on a hot summer day. If all the Johnson Lake picnic tables are taken, there is plenty of good spots to plop down a picnic blanket. The area near the beach is a good spot for a picnic, but the better spot for a picnic at Johnson Lake is on top of a small hill on the northeast shore of the lake. There is a large meadow at the top of this hill next to Johnson Lake, which is perfect for picnic blankets. From up here, the views of Johnson Lake, Cascade Mountain, and Mount Rundle are amazing. Johnson Lake is a perfect spot to go stand-up paddleboarding in Banff. A modest-sized lake and surrounded by trees, the wind conditions at Johnson Lake will almost certainly be better here than at nearby Lake Minnewanka. If you would like a nice scenic walk around a beautiful lake in Banff National Park, look no further than the Johnson Lake hike. Alternating between lakeside and forest settings, the 3-kilometer hike around Johnson Lake is one of the best easy hikes in Banff National Park. We love stand-up paddleboarding at Johnson Lake. There is such a fun atmosphere here. Johnson Lake is approximately 1.5 kilometer long, so it's big enough that you can go for a good float. but it's small enough that you shouldn't encounter waves, etc. The views of Cascade Mountain as you paddleboard back to the beach are mesmerizing. There is plenty of room in the Deus area to inflate your board, and with an established beach area, it's easy to get your stand-up paddleboard into the water at Johnson Lake. The water sports don't end at stand-up paddleboarding. Kayaking is also a popular water sport at Johnson Lake. Again, help keep the ecosystem healthy and intact by rinsing your kayak before and after going into the water at this beautiful lake in Banff. Kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding at Johnson Lake are a lot of fun, but it can also be a lot of work. If you are looking for a lazy day out on the water, simply bring your dinghy and enjoy a relaxing day floating out on Johnson Lake, enjoying the world-class views that only a lake in Banff National Park can provide. To be honest, swimming at Johnson Lake is mostly for kids who don't seem to notice the bone-chilling water temperatures, but a few adventurous adults will go for a dip. I recommend trying a swim in Johnson Lake. If you are visiting Banff from far, a swim in freezing cold lake in Banff is a memory you won't soon forget.